Hi there, it's Dev Bilal. Now this is a video 3 of our header series, Brilliant Directories tutorial, in which we are going to learn how we can make the phone number and email address clickable. When you will click on phone number, it will show you click to call functionality, and when you will click on the Google account like Gmail or email, it will also be a clickable. Okay, let's start. Here, first of all, this is the phone number that is coming from the general setting of our website. You can change the phone number from the general setting first of all. Here this is the phone number, but we are going to make it click to call. In order to do it, we need to click on toolbox menu manager. Here you will see header mini nav. You need to click edit. Now this is a phone number that is coming dynamically, so we will write here a css that will make it click to call functionality. Okay, we have written this code. This is a phone number that we're going to use. So if you want to use a different phone number like your own phone number, you need to write it in both fields here in these inverted commas, and after plus sign let's save changes. I will refresh the page. Now it is click to call. It will say open Skype or another software and application that I have, or if it will be in mobile phone, it will say to click to call. Now I am going to use the Google account here as well. For that purpose I will come here. I will add a menu, write my email. So I will write here my email, save changes, refresh the page. Now my email is here, so it is not clickable. Let's make it clickable. Okay, we have written the css code here. You need to write your email twice in these inverted commas, mail to. So it is href. You need to write your email 2 times here. Let's save changes, refresh the page. Now it is clickable. It is going to send the email. I will attach my Google account and send the email. If I am on mobile, it will send the email directly. Now in the video 4 of header series, we will learn how to add a new page in the header main menu or footer and anywhere, how you can add a new page in your Brilliant Directories website by going to web page builder or edit post setting, etc. If you want to get help with your Brilliant Directories website, you can let us know. We are here to help. Thanks so much.